Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best baby thermometer is probably one of the most essential tools for any parent, offering a quick, accurate, and non-invasive way to monitor your little one's temperature, ensuring their comfort and health with peace of mind, especially during those crucial early years when fevers can be a cause for concern. Number 5. Frida Baby Medicine Pacifier Syringe. Tired of messy medicine times? Introducing a revolutionary way to administer medication to your little one. It's designed for a fuss-free experience every time. Ensure your baby gets the exact dose they need with our precise dispensing system. This tool makes accurate dosing simple and stress-free for parents. This innovative pacifier syringe delivers medicine past the taste buds. It helps prevent gagging and spitting, making medicine time easier for everyone. We understand that giving medicine can be a challenge. That's why this dispenser is designed for maximum comfort for your baby and ease of use for you. You can trust the quality and safety of this product. It's proudly made in the USA, ensuring high standards for your peace of mind. What we like? This product is designed for ultimate convenience when administering medicine. Its unique pacifier design ensures your baby takes the full dose without fuss. If you have a picky eater or a baby who struggles with oral medication, this is a game changer for stress-free dosing. What people say. The thermometer is very accurate and easy to use. It comes with a convenient storage case. The large digital display is easy to read. Number 4. No-touch forehead digital thermometer. Introducing our advanced digital thermometer, designed for effortless and hygienic temperature checks. Its no-touch technology ensures safety and prevents cross-contamination, making it ideal for the whole family. Get precise temperature readings in just 1 second. Equipped with cutting-edge infrared technology and a high-precision sensor, it delivers accuracy within 0.2 degrees Celsius for reliable results every time. This intelligent device features a large LCD screen with a backlight that changes color based on temperature. It also includes a warning sound for abnormal temperatures, ensuring you're always informed. Easily switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. It's perfect for babies, children, and adults, and can even measure the temperature of rooms, objects, and liquids. Your purchase includes the thermometer, batteries, and an instruction manual. Plus, enjoy 12 months of support and dedicated customer service for complete peace of mind. What we like? This thermometer offers hygienic and quick temperature readings from a distance. Its ability to measure various surfaces makes it incredibly versatile for the whole family. If you're looking for a contactless solution that can also check room or liquid temperatures, this is an excellent choice for peace of mind. What people say. Super easy to use and very accurate. Works in a fraction of the time a traditional thermometer or digital thermometer does. It's easy to use and it's accurate. It takes only 2 regular AAA batteries. I was amazed to find a device which included both features, enabling me to switch between them. I had a VIX temporal scanner before but lost it and was trying to replace it. Now I have the equivalent of both and in a very well-made high-quality device, easy to understand and covering all my needs for an infrared scanner. It works great and I'm happy with it and would recommend it for others. Number 3. Frida Baby 3-in-1 Infrared Thermometer. Get accurate temperature readings in just 1 second. This infrared thermometer ensures a quick and precise assessment every time. Easily check temperatures from the ear or forehead for both children and adults. It even works for touchless readings of room or bottle temperatures. Monitor your child's well-being with a clear, color-coded screen. Optional sound alerts provide an extra layer of information for high temperatures. This device conveniently stores up to 40 previous readings. Track changes over time for a comprehensive overview of health trends. Powered by batteries, it's easy to take anywhere you go. A storage pouch is included for safekeeping when not in use. This item qualifies for reimbursement through your flexible spending account or health savings account. What we like? This thermometer provides flexibility with its multiple measurement options and easy-to-understand display. The memory function is great for tracking health trends. If you want a reliable device that can adapt to different situations and help you monitor your child's health over time, this is the one for you. What people say. The thermometer is very accurate and easy to use. I love the design of this thermometer, it's very sleek and modern. The features are great, especially the fever alert, which is very helpful. Number 2. Yasew Baby Healthcare and Grooming Kit. Introducing the Yasew Baby Healthcare and Grooming Kit, your all-in-one solution for baby care. It includes everything you need for grooming and health essentials. Safety is paramount. Our kit features a pacifier clip to keep pacifiers clean, a comfortable digital thermometer, rounded safety scissors, and a precise medicine dropper. The ultra-soft bristle brush and comb gently care for your baby's delicate scalp. They are perfect for soothing your little one and managing their hair. This kit comes in a compact, washable case, keeping all essentials organized and accessible. It's perfect for travel, ensuring you're always prepared for baby care on the go. An essential for every newborn, this kit is a thoughtful gift for new parents. It's a must-have for any baby registry search and loved by moms. What we like. This comprehensive kit covers all your baby's grooming and healthcare needs in one organized package. Each item is designed with safety and comfort in mind. If you are preparing for a new baby or looking for the perfect baby shower gift, this practical and safe set is an ideal solution. What people say. The thermometer is very accurate and easy to use. I love the design of this thermometer, it's very sleek and modern. The features are great, it has a backlight and a fever alarm. Number 1. Yasew Baby Healthcare and Grooming Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for your newborn's care. It includes a brush, comb, thermometer, nail clippers, and much more, all in one convenient package. We prioritize your baby's safety with BPA-free pacifier clips, a comfortable digital thermometer, rounded safety scissors, and a gentle nasal aspirator. Feeding is also made easier and more accurate with our medicinal dropper. Our ultra-soft bristle brush and comb are perfect for your baby's delicate scalp. They gently care for hair and can help soothe your little one during bath time. Everything is neatly organized in a durable, washable case. This compact kit is perfect for keeping baby cared for at home or on the go. This essential baby care kit is a thoughtful gift for new parents. It's a must-have for any newborn registry, loved by moms everywhere. What we like. This comprehensive kit covers all your baby's grooming and healthcare needs in one organized package. Each item is designed with safety and comfort in mind. If you are preparing for a new baby or looking for the perfect baby shower gift, this practical and safe set is an ideal solution. What people say. The thermometer is very accurate and easy to use. I love the design of this thermometer, it's very sleek and modern. The features are great, it has a backlight for easy reading in the dark and a memory function to store previous readings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.